speaking about naturals, when it comes to cleaning, I love looking for natural products because I don't like those harsh chemicals, harsh smells in my house, especially inside with the doors closed now in the fall. But Rejuvenate, but I also want a product that's going to get the job done. You want to get it done. So Rejuvenate has this all naturals floor line that just launched at Lowe's, and it cleans any kind of surface. So it'll clean your stone, it'll clean your tile, it'll clean your laminate, it'll clean your hardwood. Like I said, it's strong enough where it's going to get the job done, but gentle enough you can use it with your pets in the room, if you have children, I mean, you're breathing it. It uses a green hybrid technology, which is a plant-based technology. A lot of other cleaners use soap, which leaves streaks, and that attracts more dirt, so you're cleaning more. No thank you. I don't know about you. I don't like to clean more. So I highly recommend looking into this line for your floors.
Rejuvenate. It's never too late to rejuvenate.